NW Publisher. This video is part of the NW Publisher First Time Installation playlist.
Install.
On your Android mobile phone, locate the Google Play Store icon. Tap the icon to open the Google Play Store app. Locate the search button. Tap the search button. Find the search text box. Tap on the search text box to begin typing. Type in NW Publisher. Tap the NW Publisher on the search results. Locate the Install button. Tap the Install button. Wait until the app is installed. Congratulations! You successfully installed the NW Publisher app on an Android mobile device.
AR Tutorials.